Hello and welcome, tech-savvy viewers. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic that can benefit anyone who has tech skills: how to make money with those skills. Whether you're a programmer, a web developer, or an IT expert, your skills can help you earn some extra cash or even start a new career. So, if you've been wondering how you can monetize your tech skills, then this video is for you. We'll be sharing some practical tips and ideas on how you can turn your skills into income. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or someone looking to switch careers, this video will provide you with valuable insights on how to make the most out of your tech skills. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of tech and money making. Number 1. You can make money with your tech skills, and one great way to do that is through freelancing. Freelancing simply means working on a project-by-project basis for different clients, rather than being employed by a single company. This can be a great way to build your skills, make some extra money, and even turn it into a full-time career. To get started with freelancing, you'll need to identify your skills and determine what services you can offer. From there, you can create a portfolio website or profile on a freelancing platform like Upwork or Freelancer. To find clients, you can start by networking with people in your industry, reaching out to potential clients directly, or bidding on projects on freelancing websites. Building a portfolio of your work is key to attracting clients and showcasing your skills. You can start by taking on small projects, offering your services for free or at a discount, and asking for testimonials from satisfied clients. As you build your portfolio and reputation, you can start charging more for your services and attracting higher-paying clients. So, if you're looking to make money with your tech skills, freelancing can be a great option. Just remember to be patient, persistent, and professional, and you'll be well on your way to a successful freelancing career. Number 2. You can make money with your tech skills, building a website or app. Building a website or app can be a profitable venture because there's always a demand for new and innovative digital products. To get started, you'll need to identify a need in the market that isn't being met by existing products. This could be anything from a new social media platform to a mobile app that solves a particular problem. Once you've identified a need, you can start building a product to meet that need. When it comes to building your product, it's important to focus on usability, functionality, and user experience. You want your product to be easy to use and intuitive, with features that make it stand out from the competition. Once you build your product, it's time to monetize it. There are several potential revenue streams for websites and apps, such as advertising, selling the product directly, or offering premium features for a fee. You'll need to determine which revenue model makes the most sense for your product and your target audience. Building a website or app can be a challenging but rewarding endeavor, and it's a great way to monetize your tech skills. So, if you have a great idea for a digital product, don't be afraid to dive in and start building. Number 3. You can make money with your tech skills, creating and selling online courses or tutorials. In today's digital age, there's a high demand for online education, and if you have expertise in a particular area, you can turn that into a profitable venture. To get started, you'll need to identify a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This could be anything from programming languages to graphic design, or even how to use a particular software. Once you've identified your topic, you can start creating your course or tutorial. When it comes to creating a quality course or tutorial, it's important to break down the topic into manageable chunks and make it easy for learners to follow along. You can use a combination of video lectures, quizzes, and exercises to help learners understand and retain the information. Once you've created your course or tutorial, it's time to start selling it. There are several online platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera, where you can host and sell your courses. You can also sell your courses directly from your website or blog, or even create a YouTube channel to share your tutorials. Creating and selling online courses or tutorials is a great way to monetize your tech skills while helping others learn and grow. So, if you're passionate about sharing your knowledge, don't be afraid to get started. Number 4. You can make money with your tech skills, working as a consultant. If you're an expert in your field, working as a consultant can be a lucrative way to monetize your skills. To get started, you'll need to build a strong reputation in your industry. This can be achieved by creating a portfolio of successful projects, publishing thought leadership content, and networking with potential clients. When it comes to attracting clients, it's important to clearly define your services and value proposition. You'll want to position yourself as an expert in your field and demonstrate how you can help your clients achieve their goals. When it comes to pricing your services, it's important to research industry standards and align your pricing with the value you deliver. You can offer different pricing structures, such as hourly rates or project-based pricing. Ultimately, the key to success as a consultant is delivering value to your clients. You'll need to provide solutions to their problems and be responsive to their needs throughout the engagement. Working as a consultant can be a rewarding and profitable way to monetize your tech skills. So, if you're an expert in your field, don't be afraid to explore this option. And that's a wrap, tech-savvy viewers. We've covered several ways you can make money with your tech skills, including freelancing, building websites or apps, creating online courses or tutorials, and working as a consultant. Each of these options offers unique benefits and can be a profitable way to monetize your skills. It's up to you to explore which option best aligns with your interests and expertise. So, if you're ready to start monetizing your tech skills, don't be afraid to take action. Start by identifying your strengths and interests and exploring the different ways you can turn them into a profitable venture. Thank you for tuning in today.